Tired of Zillow 3D tour that looked like they were shot with a potato? Let's fix that. First, understand your options. You've got 360 cameras, smartphones with wide-angle lenses, and even DSLR setups, but each has pros and cons for Zillow's platform. The Ricoh Theta SC2 is a popular starting point. Known for its simplicity, it's affordable, easy to use with one-button capture, and integrates directly with the Zillow 3D Home app. However, image quality is decent, but not the best, especially in low light. Stepping up, the Insta360 One X2 or X3 delivers significantly better image quality and excellent stabilization. These cameras offer more manual control and features like HDR, improving the overall look of your tour. The workflow is a bit more involved since you will have to export the videos and edit them. Don't underestimate your smartphone. With a wide-angle lens attachment, modern smartphones can create surprisingly good 3D tour. This is the most budget-friendly option, especially if you already own a recent model phone with a good camera. Ultimately, the best camera depends on your budget and how much time you want to invest. The Ricoh Theta is great for beginners. Insta360 offers better quality and your smartphone can be a surprisingly good option. So, choose wisely, get shooting, and create Zillow 3D tour that truly impress.